it's Alison with the law. I would ask this man to introduce himself, but I'm fairly sure we all know it's Essam Al Tamimi. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. Pleased to be here.
So you set up Al Tamimi in 1989, arbitration litigation lawyer. How has the arbitration litigation field changed since you first started?
Totally a different playing ground. The arbitration in '89 was crawling. Judges basically did not believe in it. The law was non-existent. UAE were not part of the New York Convention. The arbitration rules in DIACs were basically was a Chamber of Commerce rules scattered around. No arbitration community, everything's imported. So you're talking about a different city,
Yeah.
a different country, a different world. Today, totally the opposite. So you're starting from the simple things, arbitration law. We have a wonderful arbitration law, an excellent law supporting arbitration. We have the New York Convention, of course, the UAE adhere to it, and that's part of the past. Enforcing of arbitration awards is no more a discussion on the table. Enforcing our local arbitration or international arbitration become a norm for the courts. Court actually extremely supportive to arbitration. Not only that, they actually want the arbitration community to help the dispute resolution system. The DIFC and the ADGM added a huge contribution to the arbitration and the legal system here and the common law. And so there was a lot of overspill from their common law system into the country. So you're talking about a totally different city, different people, attracted a huge talent, and I don't have a lot of challenges now, so there's nothing really I'm looking forward for anymore. All settled. Might as well go home.
So if I'm an international company and I'm trying to choose my seat of arbitration, why would I choose Dubai as my seat of arbitration?
The beauty of the arbitration today in Dubai, you have a multiple choice. You can choose the SAYAC rules and be in Dubai. You can use the ICC rules and being sitting in the DIFC under a common law or ADGM. Your multiple choice is huge. So we as a lawyer or the in-house counsel, he has a multiple choices to suit different transaction. So an oil and gas company may choose a different venue. You have a company with basically building a power station, choose a different venue. Two international arbitrators between Saudi Arabia and Korea may want to the DIFC jurisdiction for enforcement. So these multiple choices and these tools provided the international community a choices, and today they're extremely comfortable with it because it works. All these choices tested and works.
Obviously, we're here today to support Dubai Arbitration Week, so we're going to be very pro Dubai Arbitration Week. But if I was an outsider, like what arbitration week should I go to? Why would you say Dubai Arbitration Week?
From what I've seen today in this gathering today in this reception, there is a huge mix of talent and community. Actually, it's very difficult to put it together.
Yeah.
So there is a huge mix today coming from Africa, Europe, Asia, and different arbitrators, different lawyers meeting each other. And I actually was extremely impressed of the number of people and the diversity. And that's what, in my opinion, a very good place to be in, to meet people from different culture, different experience. And most of the arbitration center that you could think of, the major one around the world, you'll see them here today.
I was actually at the Al Tamimi event today, and it was very, very good. There's 140 events happening throughout Dubai Arbitration Week, but it stood out to me to be a very, very good event. I mean, out of all the events, the trends, the topics, something that stood out for me was AI. How do you feel about AI coming into the legal sector?
I am a big believer in AI, a huge believer in AI, and I think people, arbitrators and lawyers will make a huge mistake to their future if they don't embrace AI yesterday, not today, yesterday.
Right.
And from the investment I see around the UAE, and in particular led by Abu Dhabi and Dubai, UAE going to be a major player when it comes to AI. or bitcoins and electronic assets. And as a result of this, clients gonna request people who basically fly the same altitude as their clients. And if you are not in that altitude,
You're gone.
you're gone.
You're gone.
So if you are a lawyer or you are an arbitrator, or even if you are an arbitration institute and you haven't basically embraced AI and start putting some money in AI, you're gonna be part of the past.
I agree. I heard this saying that lawyers will not be replaced by AI, but lawyers who don't use AI will be replaced by lawyers who do.
Yeah.
You agree with that statement?
I agree with that. People ask me, actually I had a person today, I was interviewing in my firm, and asked me, why do you think AI is so important for Al Tamimi? I told him, because I want to be flying the same altitude as the client. And the second things, I want to make things cost effective for clients. Clients going to question the cost today, and then with the inflation, with the money put around different cases that last for a long time. Clients want basically efficiency and reducing the cost and quality. And with AI, you can achieve all that.
Okay, so a bit more of a fun question. People are coming from all over the world to Dubai Arbitration Week. Where should they go for dinner?
Where you go for dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna kill me. Do you have a couple hours to tell you this?
Here's the list from Essam Al Tamimi.
Those who are close to me should come to my house to start with. No, you are in the right place here, the DIFC area. Today, Dubai, I don't think there is any city around the world offer the multiple choice, whether you want to go and eat at the beach, in the DIFC, or anywhere. There's a multiple choices in Dubai, and I think all good quality food.
Very true. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for hosting me here, and good luck with the arbitration week.